Winter is here, and so are the sniffles, chills, and the constant search for energy. But what if I told you that you could sip your way to better health? Superfood smoothies are not just delicious, they're immunity boosters, energy lifters, and skin saviors all in one glass. Today, I'll show you 3 easy-to-make, nutrient-packed smoothies that'll keep you healthy and glowing all winter long. Ready to blend your way to wellness? Let's go! As the world moves toward natural and traditional remedies, superfoods have taken center stage. From ancient Ayurveda to modern nutrition science, these ingredients have been celebrated for their health benefits. And what better way to enjoy them than in a smoothie? These blends aren't just meals, they're powerful remedies to combat winter blues, boost immunity, and keep you energized. 1. Golden Immunity Boost. Our first recipe is the Golden Immunity Boost. This smoothie is packed with anti-inflammatory turmeric, fresh ginger, vitamin C-rich orange, and creamy almond milk. Fact: did you know turmeric has been used in Ayurveda for over 4,000 years to fight infections and inflammation? Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. It's the secret to unlocking turmeric's full power. How to make. Blend 1 orange, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a slice of ginger, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. The result? A zesty, golden smoothie to fight off colds and keep you warm. 2. Berry Bliss for energy. Next up is Berry Bliss. This antioxidant-rich smoothie combines mixed berries, a banana, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds for a perfect energy boost. Fact: berries, especially blueberries, are known as brain food because they protect your cells and improve memory. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are loaded with omega-3s to fight winter fatigue. How to make. Blend 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This smoothie is like a burst of energy in every sip. 3. Green Glow Detox. Our final smoothie is the Green Glow Detox. Perfect for cleansing your body after all those holiday treats. This one's loaded with spinach, avocado, cucumber, lemon, and hydrating coconut water. Fact: spinach is rich in iron, which keeps your energy level stable during the colder months. Avocado adds healthy fats for glowing skin, and lemon provides a detoxifying punch of vitamin C. How to make. Blend 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1/2 cucumber, juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of coconut water. This smoothie is light, refreshing, and packed with nutrients to keep you feeling great. Tips to incorporate superfoods. Now that you've got 3 amazing smoothie recipes, here are a few tips to make them a part of your daily routine. Prep your ingredients in advance for quick blending. Experiment by adding superfoods like flax seeds, cinnamon, or matcha for extra benefits. Use plant-based milk for a dairy-free option. And remember, smoothies are versatile, so get creative. There you have it, 3 superfood smoothies to keep you healthy, energized, and glowing this winter. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more natural remedies and healthy tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a healthy information and healthy recipe. See you in the next video.